Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Orem today in the Black Horse Run community of townhomes. The HOA fee is $175 a month, and it does cover the internet, cable bill, and sewer garbage, and then it also provides a picnic area that's covered, and they've got a community park and a tennis court. The location on this townhome is awesome. So we're very close to the University Parkway Street, which has an on-ramp, off-ramp to get onto I-15. We're close to UVU College, all the new vineyard development with the movie theater and different restaurants and things right there. So lots of growth happening all around right here. I'll take you on a tour so you get a feel for the layout as well as the condition of the townhome. All right, so here in the inside of the townhome, it's been updated with new paint. The paint's all been redone. That includes the doors, trim, and baseboards, and the walls and everything. It's a good sized living room you can see, and we've got a more modern light fixture slash fan right here. And this way we go to the kitchen, and we've got a half bath on the main floor for guests. And here in the kitchen, again, we have a more modern light fixture here that looks really great, and a good sized dining room spot. This is a big table. Seating 8 people, so great sized dining. And then here in the kitchen we have the stainless appliances and a laundry room right here with shelving above. And this is the pantry. It's a good sized pantry. And the unique thing about this townhome is going to be the backyard. So not all townhomes have fenced in backyards that you could have a pet if you wanted. These owners do not have a pet, but you could have a dog back here, and that's one of the nice things about this townhome. Okay, so now I'll take you upstairs and just want to point out a couple of storage things here. So we've got a coat closet here, and then right here we've got the utilities. So here's the furnace, the water heater, and a little bit of storage underneath the stairs as well. The townhome has a nice black metal railing right here, which is really in style right now. And we'll head upstairs. All right, so up here we've got the master bedroom on this side, and it is large. So that's a king bed. There's still a lot of space and depth to this room. Very spacious master. It's got vaulted ceilings, so that feels nice and tall, and it does have its own master bath right here. So we've got a nice shower and sink combo. It's a pretty good sized master bathroom. And then we have a walk-in closet here. So nice sized walk-in closet. And then down the hall we've got 2 bedrooms. This one's their at-home office, but it is a bedroom here. Has the double wide 6-foot closet with some built-in shelving as well, rather than just like wire racks. It's got nice wood shelving. And this one is the 3rd bedroom, and good size. This is the nursery. These curtains will not be included. The rod can stay, but the curtains will go from this room. And again, we have a nice closet with built-in wood shelving here. And right here we have the hall bathroom. We've got the single sink, shower, but yeah, good size bathroom here. Right here we've got a storage option up here in the attic. So very easy to access. Plenty of space up here for extra storage. Ceilings are very tall, so it's easy to move around and put a lot of things up there. I hope you enjoyed watching that video tour and got a good feel for the layout as well as some of the features of this townhome. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.